Okay, good morning, class. This is going to be my introduction to Constitutional Law 2. To start off, my name is Travis Gellerman. I've been going to CBU for about 2 years now. Going to college way too longer than that, and we're going to get started here. Okay, so this is the main slide here, but more about me. Right out of high school, I went to go play water polo at Cal State Long Beach. I played for 2 years. That's what this picture is right here. I sort of looked like that then, but quite different now. And pretty much got burnt out, and my grades weren't that good, so I dropped out of school, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I started going to my local JC and just taking a couple of classes while I was working, and that's when I came across criminal justice, and I drew a liking to that, the studies of that. Started doing that more, and sure enough, I finished there with my AA, and then I got to CBU, and I finished in April, so that's pretty exciting. Right now, while I'm going to school full time, I also work full time at Wells Fargo. So, doing that 40 hours a week and then obviously being a full time student keeps me really busy. So, that's kind of like those two main components of my life right now as far as priorities go. Um, Here I have a picture of a sloth graduating because it's going to be a big deal in April when I graduate, but I kind of did it like a sloth because I wasn't really motivated at the beginning. So there's me slowly finishing my degree. And after, I got a investigator. This guy could be Sherlock Holmes, maybe. I don't know, a little chunkier, but it kind of looks like me, I guess. Um, it's an investigator dabbing. So yeah, when I graduate, I hope to be an investigator of some sort. So that's me dabbing when I get my investigation job offer. Um, but that's pretty much it. I'm excited to be done. So we'll move over here to the closing. This is pretty much the same recap. Used to play water polo, dropped out of Cal State Long Beach. I work full time at Wells Fargo, and it's my last semester here at CBU. I'm going to complete my bachelor's in criminal justice and finally becoming an investigator. So, good luck, everyone, this semester here, and hope you guys have a fantastic holiday and a good start to the new year. God bless.